So yeah, it's just me, guys. So I'm gonna tell like a story, like how Divine had a crush on me. It was it was on 2025, but I think I never posted that on YouTube. I never brought my phone there. I think not, but so in a test day, it was just the normal things in the afternoon. Venice sitting next to me. It was abnormal, to be honest, and maybe like then Devat walked up to me and then he said, "Hey, do you know that I have a crush on the classroom?" And she said that her crush was me, but was it for yeah, but not for so long. Not for so long. But with that story being told, I'm gonna be away this day because I just need things to like sort out on this day. But yeah, make sure if you want to check this out, you want to. But I need you, okay? But what do you want to see? If you want to see like school rules be like school rules be like, how you know school trips be like, or maybe how I got access to Messenger for the first time be like. Sup, and make sure to subscribe or something.